Hi, I am Chef Md Alamraza Khan. Here is a simple recipe for grilled fish with lemon butter sauce. Recipe. Ingredients. For the grilled fish: 4 fillets of white fish, like tilapia, cod, snapper, or halibut. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. 1 teaspoon paprika, optional. Lemon wedges, for serving. For the lemon butter sauce: 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, about 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon lemon zest, optional. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 clove garlic, minced, optional. Instructions. Grilled fish. Prepare the fish. Pat the fish fillets dry with a paper towel. Drizzle both sides of the fish with olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, if using. Preheat the grill. Heat your grill to medium-high heat. If using a grill pan, heat it over medium heat on the stovetop. Grill the fish. Place the fillets on the grill or grill pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on thickness, until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Remove the fish and set aside. Lemon butter sauce. Melt the butter. In a small saucepan or skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, if using, and saute for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add lemon juice and zest. Stir in the fresh lemon juice and zest. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, letting the flavors melt together. Season and finish. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and stir in the chopped parsley. Remove from heat. Serve. Drizzle the lemon butter sauce over the grilled fish and serve with lemon wedges on the side. Enjoy. This dish pairs well with steamed vegetables, rice, or a light salad. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.